G'day guys, my name is Craig, also known as Seemyshell, and today I'm going to show you the official geocaching app. G'day guys, my name is Craig, also known as Seemyshell, and today we're going to talk about the official geocaching app and how you go about using it. So basically the geocaching app can be used on either iOS or on Android. Go to your app store or Google Play and look for the geocaching app. It's a green square logo, just like this one here. Actually, you know what? Just like that one there. Download the app, and if you haven't already, create an account. If you haven't created an account, just log in. Of course, I've already created an account, so I'm going to log in now and I'll show you exactly what to do. So guys, this is the official geocaching app. As you can see, it is a green square. Log in with your username and your password. Click I understand and you're ready to go. So I'll just move myself around here. This is my local area. As you can see, they're all smiley faces. They're the ones that I've already actually found. Let's go to a place where I haven't actually been finding geocaches as yet. A place called Tamworth in New South Wales, Australia. It refreshes automatically. As you can see, there's loading geocaches now up in the top left-hand corner. Now, the ones we want to concentrate first and solely on is the green dots. You can see there, the green with a like a rectangular box inside. This one here is called Burgess Park. Okay, let's go through this page now. First, you've got the GC code there. The GC code is different to every single cache. After that, if you go down, you'll see the difficulty. This is a difficulty 2, which means it's not that easy, but then again, it's not that hard either. You want to look probably for D1 or D1.5. After that, you've got a terrain 2 on this one. So again, it's not on the ground. Interesting. This one here is a small in size. So it's probably about a lunchbox sort of size. After that, you have the description. In the description, this tells you more about the cache and the location. Then you have the activity. When was it last found? If found at all. Then you have the attributes. As you can see, tree climbing required. I told you it wasn't on the ground. Yes. And then after that, we have the navigate button. This one here is what you touch when you actually are in the park ready to walk. If you're in a car well away from it, you can press the little car button there, which brings up the Google Maps and also Waze as well, I do believe. And then after you're actually at the location, you still can't find it, there's a hint button there for you as well. Press the hint button and it may give you a slight little hint. Okay, let's press some of these buttons. Firstly, you can see here the description tells you roughly where it is and what's it about. After that, you have the activity, and you can see this has been found quite often, so it's probably there. And then you have the attributes, and as you can see, yes, tree climbing is required, available 24/7, parking and park and grab as well, picnic tables as well. Okay, let's go back to the map itself, and you can see here, I'm well away from this one, but it does have maps, Google Maps and Waze. Now, let's look at the bottom bar. Firstly, profile. As you can see, I've got a couple of finds up my sleeve on this one here. After that, you've got messages, and I've got no messages at the moment. I've got no friends. All right, guys, let's get out of that. I want to show you another one. This one's called Cachely. This is for iOS only. Cachely is probably the best geocaching app, but for the time being, this one does cost money. For the time being, do use the original from gc.com. I'm just showing you on Cachely, there is quite a large difference between the Cachely app and the original app. Wow, so you can actually see that this can be used in so many different locations. Now, there's so many different colored geocaches on that app, but don't worry, we'll get to that in a later video. So in the next installment of Geocaching for Beginners, we're actually going to go out and find a cache. We're going to have a look at what types of the caches there are, what size they look like, and what they kind of look like in the wild as well. So join me on my next video. In the meantime, I'm Seemyshell. As always, happy caching. I'm over and out. Look at the stats on this.